Yes. Gentlemen, let's talk honestly. Reaching 50 and beyond doesn't mean slowing down. It means becoming wiser about how you take care of your body. You've worked hard your entire life, given your energy to your family, your career, and your responsibilities. But now, sis, your body is asking for something in return: care, attention, and renewal. If you've been feeling tired more often, noticed your energy dipping, or sense that your circulation and vitality aren't what they used to be, this message is for you. There's a simple, natural way to help your body recover that most men overlook. A small nightly habit that can boost your blood flow, support your heart, and bring back that inner strength you thought was fading. And it doesn't involve pills, chemicals, or shortcuts. It's about working with your body, sis, not against it. By using the right natural oils before bed, you can activate your body's own healing systems, improving circulation, reducing stiffness, and promoting better rest and recovery. This video isn't about quick fixes or myths. It's about understanding real, science-backed methods to keep your body performing at its best, no matter your age. Because vitality isn't lost with time. It's rebuilt through awareness and consistency. So if you're ready to take charge of your health and rediscover the strength, confidence, and calm energy that define true masculinity, stay with me until the end. You're about to learn something that can change not just how you feel tonight, but how you live every day moving forward. As men reach the age of 50 and beyond, one of the most common yet often ignored challenges they face is poor blood circulation. It doesn't just affect energy levels or stamina, it influences everything from brain sharpness to muscle strength and even sexual health. Blood circulation is the body's delivery system. It carries oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every cell. When this flow slows down due to age, it can leave men feeling sluggish, tense, and less responsive physically. One natural and effective way to support better circulation is through topical oil application, a simple yet powerful method that stimulates blood vessels and improves the body's overall vascular function. Applying the right oils and gently massaging them into the skin before bed allows the body to relax while encouraging the arteries and veins to open up, promoting smoother blood flow. As men age, the production of nitric oxide in the body begins to decline. This nitric oxide is a molecule responsible for dilating blood vessels, allowing them to carry more oxygen and nutrients. When its levels drop, circulation suffers, and this can manifest as cold hands and feet, slower recovery after exercise, and even weaker erections. Natural oils, when applied topically, help counteract this issue in two ways. First, by improving skin temperature through friction and massage, and second, by stimulating the local release of nitric oxide and enhancing microcirculation. The act of massage itself is therapeutic. It activates sensory nerves under the skin, which signal blood vessels to expand, leading to a gentle but noticeable improvement in flow. Over time, this can help revitalize tissues, improve oxygen delivery, and restore vitality in areas that may have lost sensitivity or strength due to reduced circulation. Oils like olive, sesame, and coconut contain compounds that support this process naturally. They are rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols and vitamin E, which protect blood vessel walls from oxidative stress and hardening. As these nutrients absorb into the skin, they help reduce inflammation and stiffness in the arteries, promoting elasticity. Improved elasticity means the vessels can respond better to the body's needs, expanding and contracting efficiently to regulate pressure and flow. This is particularly important for men over 50 because aging arteries often become rigid due to plaque buildup and cellular damage. Regularly applying oil before bed can serve as a gentle circulatory workout, keeping the vascular system flexible and active without strain. The benefit extends beyond the physical. The nightly ritual of massaging oil before sleep signals the nervous system to relax, lowering cortisol levels and preparing the body for rest. This state of calm allows the heart rate and blood pressure to stabilize, creating an ideal environment for the body to heal and regenerate. Good circulation depends not only on the strength of the heart, but also on the state of the nervous system, and nighttime oil application bridges that connection. Over time, this practice can improve endurance, energy, and overall confidence in one's body. It's a natural, safe, and science-backed way for men to reclaim vitality, not through harsh chemicals or quick fixes, but through consistent, mindful care that honors how the body was designed to function. Natural oils have been used for centuries as a source of healing, nourishment, and rejuvenation, and modern science is beginning to confirm what ancient traditions already knew, that nature holds remarkable tools for supporting vitality, especially in men over 50. As the body ages, circulation slows, hormone levels fluctuate, and oxidative stress increases. These changes can lead to fatigue, joint stiffness, and a gradual decline in physical performance. However, natural oils like olive oil, coconut oil, black seed oil, and argan oil contain compounds that can counteract these effects and promote better male health naturally. When applied topically, these oils penetrate the skin, delivering antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fatty acids directly to the underlying tissues where they support repair and regeneration. Olive oil is particularly rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, which help maintain the integrity of cell membranes and protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. For older men, this protection is crucial because oxidative stress caused by free radicals is one of the leading factors behind aging-related decline in energy and circulation. The polyphenols in olive oil also reduce inflammation in the muscles and arteries, allowing blood to flow more freely. Coconut oil, on the other hand, is packed with medium-chain triglycerides that quickly convert into energy and help stimulate metabolism. When massaged onto the skin, it provides warmth and nourishment to the muscles, easing tension and supporting a more relaxed circulatory flow. Black seed oil, often referred to as the seed of blessing, is another powerful ally for male vitality. It contains thymoquinone, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that black seed oil can improve vascular function and protect against oxidative stress that damages endothelial cells, the inner lining of blood vessels. For men over 50, maintaining endothelial health is essential for strong circulation, heart health, and sexual function. By applying this oil to areas where blood flow needs support, men can experience not just smoother circulation, but also a natural sense of vitality and warmth that extends throughout the body. Argan oil, rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, complements these effects by moisturizing and strengthening the skin barrier. Its deep absorption helps carry nutrients into the tissues, supporting muscle recovery and improving skin elasticity, which can deteriorate with age. What makes these oils particularly valuable is their ability to work synergistically. When combined and gently massaged onto the skin, especially before bed, they help improve local blood flow, reduce inflammation, and nourish cells while the body rests. The massage process itself enhances lymphatic drainage, helping remove toxins that accumulate in the tissues. This cleansing effect contributes to clearer skin, lighter muscles, and better energy levels upon waking. Over time, the consistent use of natural oils can improve not just circulation, but overall vitality, supporting better stamina, emotional balance, and mental clarity. These oils are not magic solutions, but natural partners in health that work with the body's biology to restore what age slowly takes away. By applying them regularly, men over 50 can cultivate a sense of renewal, confidence, and strength that radiates from within. The timing of when you apply natural oils can be just as important as the type of oil you use. And for men over 50, nighttime application offers unique and powerful benefits. As the day ends, the body begins to shift into a state of rest and repair. This is when the skin becomes more permeable, the blood pressure naturally lowers, and the nervous system moves into a parasympathetic state, also known as the rest and digest mode. Applying oil before bed aligns perfectly with this biological rhythm. It allows the body to fully absorb the nutrients and active compounds from the oil while the muscles are relaxed and the heart rate is stable. During sleep, blood flow to the skin increases, making it the ideal time for the oil's antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids to penetrate deeply and nourish tissues at a cellular level. This nightly routine supports more than just skin health. It directly influences circulation, hormonal balance, and the body's ability to recover from daily stress. As men age, the circulatory system becomes less responsive and the elasticity of blood vessels decreases. When oils are massaged onto the body before bed, The gentle pressure stimulates local circulation, helping to open blood vessels and enhance nutrient delivery to the muscles and nerves. The warmth generated by massage further relaxes blood vessel walls, improving flow and preventing stagnation, one of the common contributors to stiffness and fatigue in older men. Over time, this practice strengthens vascular responsiveness, meaning the body becomes better at adjusting blood flow where it's needed. From the heart to the muscles to the reproductive system. Another advantage of nighttime oil application is its effect on the nervous system. The act of slow mindful massage releases endorphins and oxytocin, the body's natural relaxants, helping to reduce stress and anxiety accumulated throughout the day. For men who often carry tension in their lower back, shoulders, or legs, this nightly ritual can ease muscle tightness and promote a deeper, more restorative sleep. Good sleep is essential for testosterone production, immune function, and tissue repair, all key factors in maintaining male vitality. When sleep quality improves, the body produces more growth hormone and repairs damaged cells more efficiently, leading to better overall energy and mental clarity upon waking. Moreover, nighttime is when the body's detoxification and regeneration processes peak. The liver and lymphatic system work to filter out toxins while the skin actively renews itself. Applying oils during this phase enhances these processes, as the antioxidants in natural oils help neutralize free radicals and support tissue recovery. The absorption of vitamin E and essential fatty acids through the skin helps maintain cellular flexibility and hydration, counteracting dryness and dullness that often come with aging. Beyond the physical benefits, this bedtime routine cultivates a deeper connection between mind and body. It becomes a ritual of self-care, a quiet time to slow down, breathe, and show respect to the body that has carried you through life's challenges. For men over 50, this small nightly habit can serve as a grounding and revitalizing practice, promoting circulation, relaxation, and a renewed sense of strength that carries into every part of their day. Better circulation is not just about keeping the heart healthy, it influences nearly every aspect of a man's physical and emotional well-being, especially after 50. When circulation improves, the entire body benefits, from the brain and muscles to the skin and reproductive system. Healthy blood flow ensures that every cell receives enough oxygen and nutrients to function optimally while removing waste and toxins efficiently. For older men, this translates into more energy, sharper thinking, and greater physical endurance. What's fascinating is that practices aimed at improving male vitality, like applying natural oils before bed, extend their benefits far beyond sexual health. Says they become part of a holistic system that supports overall wellness and longevity. When circulation improves, the heart works more efficiently. So the arteries and veins remain more flexible, this helping to maintain stable blood pressure and prevent the fatigue that often accompanies poor cardiovascular function. The antioxidants found in natural oils, such as vitamin E and omega fatty acids, also help reduce inflammation in blood vessel walls, keeping them strong and elastic. This improved vascular health doesn't just help the heart, it supports muscle recovery, joint mobility, and even skin quality. Men who maintain good circulation often experience fewer cramps, less stiffness, and faster healing after physical activity. It's a reminder that male vitality is about more than performance. It's about sustaining strength, balance, and resilience throughout the entire body. Another dimension of improved circulation is its impact on the mind. The brain relies on steady blood flow for focus, memory, and mood regulation. Reduced circulation can lead to mental fog, irritability, and a lack of motivation, which many older men mistakenly attribute solely to aging. However, when the body's blood flow improves, oxygen and glucose delivery to the brain increase, enhancing cognitive function and mental clarity. Regular nighttime oil massages can contribute to this by promoting relaxation, reducing stress hormones, and improving sleep, all of which are essential for brain health. A calm mind and a relaxed body work in harmony to maintain stable hormone levels and better emotional balance. Enhanced circulation also plays a vital role in sexual wellness. Erectile function depends on adequate blood flow, and by improving vascular responsiveness, men can experience more consistent and natural performance. The benefit, however, extends beyond physical function. Better circulation improves sensitivity, confidence, and emotional intimacy, helping men reconnect with themselves and their partners on a deeper level. The same oils that nourish the skin and muscles can also support reproductive health by reducing oxidative stress in tissues and maintaining elasticity in blood vessels responsible for arousal. Ultimately, oil massage and improved circulation are about promoting harmony within the body. They bring together the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of health, creating a foundation for true vitality. When combined with simple lifestyle choices like hydration, balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate rest, the results can be transformative. Men over 50 don't have to accept declining vitality as inevitable. They can take proactive steps to strengthen their bodies naturally. By adopting a nightly practice that enhances circulation and relaxation, they not only improve their physical health, but also cultivate a renewed sense of calm, clarity, and confidence that radiates through every part of their life. The secret to maintaining male vitality after 50 isn't found in expensive supplements or complicated routines. It lies in understanding your body, respecting its natural rhythm, and using simple, science-backed methods to support it. Applying natural oils before bed is more than just a ritual of self-care. It's a way to enhance circulation, nourish tissues, calm the nervous system, and restore strength from within. When you combine this practice with good sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular movement, you create the conditions your body needs to thrive, no matter your age. This is not about reversing time. It's about aging with confidence, energy, and awareness. Every small step you take toward better circulation and relaxation is a step toward a longer, stronger, and more fulfilling life. To every man watching this, remember, your health is not something you lose with age. It's something you can nurture and rebuild through consistency and care. The body responds beautifully when given attention and respect. Treat yourself not as someone past your prime, but as someone entering a new phase of wisdom and renewal. You have the power to take control of your vitality naturally starting tonight. Thank you for taking the time to learn, to listen, and to invest in your health. I wish you strength, balance, and lasting energy as you continue this journey of self-care and growth. May you rest better, feel stronger, and wake up every day with a renewed sense of purpose. Take care of yourself. Your body deserves it. Good luck, and thank you for watching.